How to see blocked emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Mail. On this page, you can manage your email accounts, notifications, and how messages are composed. Scroll down the page until you find the threading section. Within this section, tap on the option labeled Blocked. This will take you to the universal block list for your iPhone. Here, you can review all the contacts you have blocked, including both phone numbers and any email addresses. You will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from anyone on this list. Following these steps, you can easily see blocked emails on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.